है योगा। सुबह का योगा बहुत ही आनंददायक होता है और दोस्तों योगा सुबह और शाम दोनों टाइम करना चाहिए, ठीक है। तो आइए दोस्तों शुरुआत करते हैं सुबह की योगा की, है ना, क्योंकि सुबह खाली पेट होता है और ठंडी ठंडी हवाएं भी होती है और योगा का बहुत ही आनंद होता है। तो आइए दोस्तों सबसे पहले वार्म अप कर लेते हैं, क्योंकि वार्म अप बहुत ज़रूरी है ना। ये वाला ऐसे ऐसे वार्म अप बहुत ज़रूरी है। ये अपने पैर को ऐसे ले जाओ, फिर अंदर से लाओ, फिर दोनों पैर को अंदर लाओ, ऐसे ऐसे तितली आसन। हर एक आसन को 1-2 मिनट जरूर करिए, 2-2 मिनट, है ये ऐसे। ऐसे ऐसे चलना दो, हाथ को ऐसे चलना दो। और योगा हमेशा यथाशक्ति कीजिए, यानी कि अपनों को कोई जबरदस्ती अपन योगा करें, है ना, शरीर में कहीं भी गल्ले भर जाए, है ना, तो इतने इफेक्ट नहीं डाले, सिर्फ आनंद से, है कि नहीं। ऐसे ये इस तोंद को कम करने के लिए ऐसे योगा कीजिए। ऐसे घुमाइए अपने हाथ को, ऐसे घुमाइए। ठंडी ठंडी हवा बहुत ही आनंददायक होती है घूमने का। हाँ बैठ के योगा कर, ऐसे ऐसे, ये ऐसे
will be better if used as a main DPS with fewer than the normal main DPS stat lineup. Focusing on attack, damage percent and crit will be superior to other options, though attack percent can be
Hello,
inferior
hello.
to damage percent in some situations. For weapons, finale, the team is a great starter option as it is craftable in a movie now highlights a certain 5-star sword passive signature. And this sword if
ऐसे
then I want to thank you for stopping by. But if you would like to support me, then you can take a bite at that delectable kitchen sink cookie flavored subscribe button down below and or keep the video playing. That is up to you. For everyone still here, let's go down with Skirt, starting with her overview. Skirt is a pure on-field CPS unit and can be used as either a
Yes.
or as an elemental burst CPS. Skirt's skill has two separate forms. One that lets you commit to her main DPS playstyle, and the other pushing her burst DPS playstyle. Tap version of her skill grants her 45 points of Servant's subtlety, and then she enters her main DPS state. In this state, her normal and charge attacks are infused with cryo, and they have increased scaling values. Her holy version grants her 45 points of Servant's subtlety, and she gains a large movement speed boost. She can end this form at any point. Also, both forms grant her interruption resistance, and she will drain her Servant's subtlety points over time, while in her form. Her elemental burst can do two things. Her primary burst is a large nuke that deals a ton of burst damage, and it requires
ऐसा चला
or weapons. Now, and then she enters her main DPS state. In this state, her and charge attacks are
इस
infused
तरीके से
and they have increased scaling values. Her whole version grants her 45 points of Servant subtlety, and she gains a large movement speed boost. She can end this form at any point. Also, both forms grant her interruption resistance, and she will drain her Serpent's subtlety points over time while in her form. Her elemental burst can do two things. Her primary burst is a large nuke that deals a ton of burst damage and requires 50 points of Serpent subtlety. Every Serpent subtlety point of 150 increases the damage of fire burst based on her attack. The max amount of points that this considers is swap. The other elemental burst is accessible while she is in her main DPS state, and it costs 0 Serpent subtlety points. When used, she will gain a small amount of normal attack damage bonus. If she absorbs any void race, then that normal attack's damage bonus will be further increased based on the number of race absorbed. This effect is removed after her main DPS state ends or after it is triggered 10 times. The first such passive creates a void rift once per 2.5 seconds when a party member other than Skirk triggers a cryo-related reaction other than melt. Skirk can then absorb these rifts after she uses her whole skill, after using a charge attack in her main DPS state, or after using her elemental burst while in her main DPS state. Each rift will grant her 8 Servant subtlety points for her action. More passive and Skirk will gain a stack of death scroll for 20 seconds when a cryo or hydro character deals cryo or hydro damage. However, this only counts for when the character actively deals damage. So, against an enemy like the Hydro Tulpa, Skirk will never be able to get a stack from your Hydro characters. The max for 20 seconds when a cryo or hydro character deals cryo or hydro damage. However, this only counts for when the character actively deals damage. So, against an enemy like the Hydro Tulpa, Skirk will never be able to get a stack from your Hydro characters. Max of 3 stacks can be obtained, and each party member can grant only 1 stack. Skirk. Each stack increases Skirk's normal attack and elemental burst's original damage by a low amount. But once at 3 stacks, this amount is increased dramatically. Finally, we have Skirk's passive that is always active. This passive increases the entire team's elemental skill count of all party when all members in the party are of the cryo and hydro element. Skirk's talent ability stands out in original playstyles. That seems zero. The main DPS setup is generally more effective than her burst DPS one, so prioritize leveling her skill first, since that maxes most. Her burst is also worth investing in for the extra damage it offers from normal attacks and the huge burst damage it has. Level that after or alongside her skill. Her normal attacks, however, can't be skipped entirely, as they don't contribute too much to her damage. This playstyle difference also changes her combos. As a main DPS, tap her skill, offer burst to absorb the burst, and counters her normal anti-charge attacks until they fusion ends for burst DPS. Just hold her skill to absorb burst, then unleash her burst. That's it. Simple and effective. Now that we've gone through her base kit, let's go through her constellations and see what they bring to the table. Her C1 allows her to summon a crystal blade, dealing a large chunk of charge attack damage whenever she absorbs a rift with no cooldown. This effect will trigger 3 times to her 35 field, and then 3 more times afterward if she's using it. Yes, his new 200 attack skill. Luke at the start of her 5 field window is is just absolutely absurd. And the fact that it can be triggered multiple times grants
Thank
it
you.
the biggest power jump from C's